Hello students, welcome to Lingua Franca Academy. Today in this class we are going to study the second poem of book First Flight CBSE class 10th, Fire and Ice, composed by Robert Frost. The very poem Fire and Ice has been composed by Robert Frost. Here is given the central theme of this poem. The poem exclaims two instruments, fire and ice, for the destruction of the whole world. Some say in fire means some believe that this world will end in fire, while some others say in ice. Here is given the different meaning of this fire and ice. Fire stands for burning desire, as we know that human's desire is everlasting, while ice stands for hatred, means excess of our burning desire leads us towards hatred. As I consider both, according to the poet, he considered both are suffice if it had to perish twice. And actually, keywords have been given for you for your help. Next words, fire. Fire basically means something else, but here in this poem it means burning desire. Ice stands for hatred. Perish means destroy or destruction. Suffice means appropriate. Here is the summary of this poem. The very poem, Fire and Ice, which has been composed by Robert Frost. In this poem, the poet says that some people believe that this world will end in fire, but some other people believe it would end in ice. But I support those people who favor fire. But as I think, when it had to perish twice, both are sufficient for it. Here in this meaning, in this poem, fire and ice, both instruments have been used. Both have different meaning to its actual meaning. Fire stands for burning desire, while ice stands for hatred. Thank you. That's all. And if you are new to this video, consider subscribing and press bell so that when I upload a video, you could be notified. Thank you.